welcome back to our channel. This is Prachi and Shubham. This is the next day in Goa. We just woke up guys and we woke up a little late and हमारी अच्छे से नींद पूरी हो गई है and we just ordered breakfast in our Airbnb with some chai. So I'll show you the breakfast guys. So we have ordered dosa. This is bene masala dosa with some vada, chutney, sambar and tea guys. So guys, we are on our way to our second property which is in Mandrim. So guys, we are on our way to our villa. तो हमने जो रिजॉर्ट बुक करा है अमृतारा और स्पा एंड रिजॉर्ट. तो हम अपने रूम में जा रहे हैं. Place looks really pretty. Beautiful swimming pool here. Guys, हम जैसे अपने प्रॉपर्टी को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे हम आपको दिखाएंगे. क्यूट पूल टेबल. Yeah, very nice, very pretty. I love how green it is, ना? Greenery and nature बहुत सुंदर है. These are the villas guys. Villa 405 इधर है. Waiting to reach our villa. How excited are you?
Very excited.
This is our villa guys. Villa 407. Let's see how it is. Wow. Thank you. Bye. Guys, I just love the aesthetic. और हम भी अभी आपके साथ ही रूम टूर ले रहे हैं. Wow. Look at the ceiling guys. It's giving such rustic look. This is our entrance, the door. Side में this is this mirror beside the bed. And इधर है हमारा बेड गाइस. और बेड के ऊपर का जो लुक है that is so pretty. That's, you know, that mirror, the whole look.
And the paintings above.
Yeah, look at the texture of the wall also, na?
Yeah.
Paintings above.
Look at the vintage cupboard.
So guys, this is our bed. अब हम साइड में जाएंगे. Let's see the wardrobe. Wow, it has such rustic aesthetic feel. ये खोल क्यों नहीं रहा?
Easy. I think this is a latch away.
Oh, right.
Now you can open it.
Wow. Okay, they have a safe inside.
Yeah.
Guys, बहुत ही Pinteresty property है ये. Aesthetically really pretty. तो guys, ये हमारा cupboard है. So this is our cupboard. This is another mirror here, guys. बिल्कुल महाराजा महारानियों वाला सेटअप इधर. यहाँ पर ये देखिए guys. Love it, love it.
Beautiful washroom.
We'll go there, but
Sorry.
pehle, this is like a place where you can just sit and like work, and there is some coffee and tea set. This is the lamp, very cute looking lamp.
Beautiful painting over there.
Yeah,
And
this is the desk, guys, and
the bathroom is amazing.
really,
Yeah.
this is the wardrobe situation, then mirror, then the bed. Wow, looks so pretty. And little seating area here beside the bed. And then there's a mirror there. Wow, let's go see the washroom.
Yes.
Shubham,
Yeah.
show us the washroom. Oh yeah, there's a little sitting area here also,
Yeah. There is.
है ना?
Yes.
इधर बेड है and opposite में there's a little cute sitting area,
The balcony view is amazing if you look outside.
and there is the television.
Look at it. Look at this.
Oh wow, love the view from our window, guys.
You want to see the
Let's see the washroom.
right?
Are you excited to see the washroom? Wow,
Beautiful.
very aesthetic, guys. Look at the mirror, very aesthetic mirror, very cute.
Yes.
The sink, the tissues, plant, and पूरे सारे toiletries है यहाँ पर. अमृतारा की dental kit and soap. This is the mirror, and this is the bathing space, guys. It looks very cute. Also, guys, there is a mini fridge under the TV. Let's see what's there in the fridge. Wow, they have a few beer bottles, Coke, some juice, chocolates, and here also they have snacks. They have some biscuits and chips. Actually, that's good. You remember we were feeling hungry at night. We were actually craving for sugar yesterday, right? But we didn't want to like order anything at like 1 or 2 in the night. Also, here they have if you see here, इसमें क्या था? Okay, they have a set of tea,
Yeah.
sugar, coffee, and 2 mugs. That's nice. And also, guys, एक चीज़ मैंने आपको नहीं दिखाई, and I'll show it to you. They have also given some complimentary chocolates, which is very cute. So guys, we have checked in Amritara Villa, and हम अपने room में हैं अभी. And we have just ordered for some lunch. We have ordered pasta and spring rolls.